The woman said her brother tried to kill 6 of them in her house. She said, "I got up Friday morning to make breakfast for my babies and the little man I take care of. And when we turned on the pipe, a pure blue water with throat coming out, and I reached out to a few farmers, my mother and her husband included, and them told me to say it could be Bunna or Grammar Zone."
Black tank where the boy throw the Bunna into. See there, connect up to my bathroom, connect up to run in my kitchen, connect up to everything in the house, and then throw the Bunna in at the tank. Alright. This is the grass. I'm going to throw the water on. See there? See the grass there? This is the grass that I throw the water and I took out of the black tank. See it there, people? See it there, burning. In the morning, Friday morning. Friday just gone. After we find out so the water poison, we get the police involved. We call Christiana. Christiana transfer it to Spalding's police. We call Spalding transfer it to Mandeville. We call Mandeville transfer it to Kendall. Kendall police came. The police examined the water. Him climb up on the top of the black tank. And him say him cannot see anything in the tank because the tank black. However, him can smell the chemical essence coming from the black tank. Right? You can smell the chemical essence coming from the black tank. However, there is nothing you can do about it because we never see the person. My brother, we never see him throw the poison into the water. So there's nothing they can do about it. However, them are going to warn him about the threat we make. Them take my statement. Them. I don't even know if them find him. Them take my statement. Them said to me, say, "Mommy, don't throw away the water. Keep it for further evidence." Right? The police say the water cannot be tested and there's nothing they can do about it, but I must keep the water. I must seek out for other advice. The person reach out to me and tell me, say, "Miss, do not throw away the water. The water is evidence. And anybody tamper with that water is going to be in serious problem." All right. I went back to Spalding's police station to file an official report. Up and going to Spalding's, me get a phone call. Say my mother, the mother we birthed the 2 away. Call him.
The full video will be posted on this channel. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified.